In this video, I'll show you how to create an AC manifest with a Section 321 shipment using BorderConnect with a mobile device. A Section 321, also known as a de minimis, allows for the release of shipments into the United States valued at $800 US or less, and is common for importing e-commerce goods. These low-value shipments do not require a customs broker, but are required to be filed on an AC manifest. To learn about Section 321 shipments, visit BorderConnect Support Wiki at wiki.borderconnect.com. Once you're logged in, click the menu icon at the top, then click AC Manifests. Then select Start New AC Manifest. After you enter all your trip information, at the bottom you have the option to upload shipments directly into your AC manifest in either a JSON or a CSV file, which is common when uploading a large volume of shipments into BorderConnect. Just locate the file on your device and add the shipments to your manifest. And for a more in-depth guide on uploading shipments into BorderConnect, click the link at the top of the video now. However, in this video, I'll be manually entering the shipment information. So go to the bottom and tap Save and Start New AC Shipment, and select Save and Start New Shipment. And to learn how to enter trip information on an AC manifest with a mobile device, click the link at the top of the video now. Now, starting from the top of the page, select your shipment type. It's currently set to a PAPS as that's the most common shipment type, but since this is a Section 321, tap the shipment type to change it to a Section 321. Next, enter your shipment control number. And if you're hauling another carrier shipment, just tap the SCAC to change it. Now below, enter the shipper and consignee details of the shipment. When you see a magnifying glass icon, that means BorderConnect will automatically look up the information for you. You can look up the shipper or consignee by entering the first few characters of the name or the address. And we're now ready to move on to the commodities on the shipment, so at the bottom, click Save and Add Commodity. Here, enter your description of goods, quantity, and weight. And because we're creating a Section 321 in this video, enter the total value in US dollars and the country of origin. And now that all the commodity info is entered, go to the bottom and tap Save and back to AC Manifest, and select Save and back to AC Manifest. We're now ready to get our eManifest on file with CBP. So at the top, tap Sync with CBP. Your manifest status will be changed to 2 yellow bars, transmitted. And after approximately 1 to 2 minutes, CBP should accept your manifest and the status will then move to 3 blue bars, complete manifest on file with CBP. And since there's no customs broker involved with the Section 321 shipment, the manifest will remain at this status until the driver arrives at the border. And when the driver arrives at the border, the status will then move to 5 dark green bars, arrival reported at border, and will be followed by 6 green bars, truck released at border, where the driver is then free to enter the United States. Congratulations! You successfully created an AC manifest with a Section 321 shipment using BorderConnect with a mobile device. This type of trip and shipment is usually completed within about a minute or two, and if you ever need help, please reach out to our friendly support team via chat, phone, or email. And to learn how to create a Section 321 from a laptop or desktop, click the link at the top of the video now.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click subscribe below or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.